Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Brother label maker, model number PT-M95BP. This is the P-Touch. So I've got it turned on already. I'm going to show you how to turn it on and put the batteries in. Now make sure there is a little film on this screen. Make sure you get that off. Around back, you got to open this up, press down right here and move this whole thing. Now the label go in like this, but there was something right here. So make sure you remove this little piece of foam. Again, grab the label, looking at it like this, and you're going to slide it in. Make sure that goes right there until it snaps. Now the batteries are a little tricky. The first two batteries go down, and they're kind of the positive is that way. You got to follow the diagram. Now this one, the polarity is different on the top ones, and you got to stack those on top of there. So here's the cover. You're going to put those lower latches in first, and then snap it up. So around front, I like it has a QWERTY keyboard. This is like a typewriter would have. So simply turn it on, just press the on button, and I'm going to print. I got my typed out already. There's where it's coming out right there. I have to manually cut it with this cutter. All right, there's the label it made. Let's see how it does. You got to get this off. Okay, so with these labels that the P-Touch does, the left side of the label, it's going to have just a little bit of a lip. That's where you're going to want to grab it, right there. Then the back comes off. The back doesn't snap in half and peel away in two individual parts. So there's what the label looks like. Okay, so let's put the label on. Yeah, I like these labels are very nice, very sticky, and they look good. We got all kinds of different characters we can add. I like the caps lock is right here, very easy to see. So it talks about this thing being able to get the back off of it. You're supposed to slide it in there and then do it like that, but I haven't got that to work. So the type of tape cartridges it takes is the M tape. And when you get a new one, you're going to want to take this piece of cardboard off. The M tape, that's what it takes. So it does come with a very nice manual, shows you all the different characters you can add. So this does have a lot of functionality, and I do like that it has a nice manual. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.